10 money mistakes you're probably making right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super important: your money. If you're struggling to save, feeling like you never have enough, or just wondering where your money is going every month, then you might be making some serious money mistakes. In this video, we're going over 10 common money mistakes that people make all the time. And trust me, avoiding these could save you thousands of dollars over time. Stick around till the end because number 10 is a trap that almost everyone falls into. Let's jump right in. Mistake number 1, not having a budget. If you don't have a budget, you're basically flying blind when it comes to your finances. It's like driving a car without a fuel gauge. You have no idea when you're about to run out of gas. Most people underestimate how much they actually spend. That's why at the end of the month, they're shocked to find their bank account nearly empty. So, how do you fix this? Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% on needs, rent, bills, groceries, 30% on wants, eating out, entertainment, 20% on savings and investments. There are tons of budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or even a simple spreadsheet that can help you track your expenses. The key is knowing where your money is going. Mistake number 2, living paycheck to paycheck. If you're spending every dollar you earn, you're putting yourself at huge financial risk. More than 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. That means if an emergency happens, like a car repair, a medical bill, or a job loss, they're in serious trouble. So what's the solution? Start an emergency fund. Aim for at least $500 to $1,000 as a beginner. Then work your way up to 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. That way, when something unexpected happens, you're prepared. Mistake number 3, not investing early. One of the biggest money mistakes people make is waiting too long to invest. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. Thanks to compound interest, even investing $100 a month can make a huge difference. Here's a quick example. If you invest $100 per month starting at age 25, by the time you're 65, you could have over $300,000. But if you start at 35, you'll have only around $150,000. That's half the amount for waiting just 10 years. The earlier you start, the more your money grows. Mistake 4, relying only on one source of income. Most people rely on their 9-to-5 job as their only source of income. But what happens if you lose that job? That's why having multiple income streams is crucial. Ways to earn extra money include freelancing, writing, graphic design, video editing, starting a side hustle, Etsy, dropshipping, YouTube, investing in stocks or real estate. Don't put all your financial eggs in one basket. Mistake 5, overspending on credit cards. Credit cards can be great for rewards, but they're a disaster if you don't use them wisely. The average credit card interest rate is around 20%, meaning if you carry a balance, you're throwing money away. Rule of thumb: pay your balance in full every month. If you have credit card debt, focus on paying it off ASAP. If you struggle with spending, try using a debit card or cash instead. Mistake number 6, not negotiating your salary. Here's a shocking fact: 55% of people never negotiate their salary. That means they're losing thousands of dollars over their career. Before accepting a job offer, always research your market value on sites like Glassdoor or PayScale. And don't be afraid to ask for more. Companies expect you to negotiate, so take advantage of it. Mistake number 7, buying a new car instead of a used one. A brand new car loses about 20% of its value in the first year. That's like throwing thousands of dollars out the window. Instead, buy a certified pre-owned car that's 2 to 3 years old. You'll save a ton of money while still getting a great vehicle. Mistake number 8, ignoring retirement savings. A lot of young people think retirement is too far away to worry about, but that's a huge mistake. If your employer offers a 401k with a match, take advantage of it. It's free money, no 401k. Open an IRA and start investing. The sooner you start, the less you'll need to save later. Mistake number 9, paying for unused subscriptions. Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, gym memberships. Subscriptions add up fast. Take 10 minutes to check your bank statements and cancel anything you don't use. You'd be surprised how much you can save. Mistake number 10, trying to keep up with others. This might be the most dangerous mistake of all. Buying things just to impress others leads to debt, stress, and an empty bank account. The wealthiest people don't show off, they invest. Instead of upgrading your phone every year or buying designer clothes, focus on building real financial freedom. All right, that's a wrap. Now that you know these 10 money mistakes, which one are you guilty of? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss future videos on personal finance and success. See you in the next one.